this lovely Triumph Tiger 800. So a great bike. This one is a 2010 bike on a 60 plate, done 16,914 miles, and it's got some nice extras. So you can see you've got the headlight covers, you've got a tall screen, you've got the radiator guard and a sump guard, and also engine bars as well. You've got some billet levers, Arrow exhaust, that's the biggie of course, and a top box, so it's really well equipped. Coming to look at the display and stuff over here, you'll see you've got a nice digital and analog display, full on fuel gauge, gear indicator, and there you've also got the Triumph heated grips too. Let's give it a fire up so you can have a listen to it. It does sound awesome with that exhaust. So what a great bike. It's got all the bits, it's ready to go. If you do fancy it, give us a call, pop down to the showroom and we'll make this bike yours. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.